video what we are going to do. As you can see, we are going to use update name, update phone number, update password, and update email functions, and we will update the corresponding things of that. So let me demonstrate what we are going to do. Let me create any demo account. I'm not and let's say random@gmail.com. Let's say this, and let me create it. So not now. Okay, so as you can see, we can update the name, we can update the email, we can update the phone number, and we can update the password from the console. But as you can see, the thing is, uh, the user also wants to update all those data, all those fields. So what we are going to do, we are going to implement those functionality in our Flutter app. And yeah, let's dive into the code. So I have already written the code. So what I'll do, I'll just explain it to you, like how it does and what it is doing. So if you I have created two screens. First is change email, and second one is update password. That's it. And because we have to update the password, and we have to change the email of the user. So let's dive into the first of all authenticate file, and then we will then we will understand. And there is one small activity for you guys, for you to do those things. Let's say in this video I'll explain the update email and update password, and for you you have to do the update phone number and update name. It's actually quite simple to do those two things. I'm expecting you to do that and create a PR. So yeah, let's dive into the code what we are doing. So update email is simply a function which will take a email and which will take a password. Email will be the updated email which we wanted to change, and password will be the current user password. For an example, let's say I have an email which says raman@gmail.com, and password is xyz. And if I want to update the email of my current account, then what I have to do, I have to write raman1@gmail.com plus password should be xyz. You cannot rewrite the another password. So this is the method of update email. And update password simply required your new password and the old password as well. Old password is simply for the validation that you are the only user which are have the knowledge of old password. So yeah, that's it. And those are the two functions which is created. And if we go to the home screen, I have created two buttons which says update email and update password, which will not do anything, which will only navigate us to the change email and update password thing. And those are the only thing which the buttons is good to do. So let me change this thing, change email and password exactly. And added some padding over it. And change email, let's dive into the change email. We need email and password. So here we have the body text form field. In the controller we will have email controller, validator. Actually you can add more validators to it, like let's say there is regex for the email validation. Uh, if you search on the internet and you just search regex for email validation, you will be able to find the regex expression for validating the email. There are some specific expression for email, so you can use that to validate yourself, like how you wanted to have the email or something. And also the password, you can also add the regex. Like if you go to the update password, you can also have the regex functionality, so that the user only write the strong password, like 1234 is not going to work as of now in the current scenario, because we need strong password. So you can do that. So regex is there. So what I did is I just added a value and another text form field, another validator, and in the elevator button I have called the update email and given the email and the password. And then if the value is true, means means the update email is successfully run, means it run the true value, then it will we will go to the home page. Else we will have the scaffold, means the snack bar. It says email, invalid email or password, let's say. Okay. And elevator button text is update email. Same goes to the update password thing. Like if you go here, I'll have two text form field which says password and old password. So one text form field is the old password, means the labels and other stuff I've written, and the text form field another which has a password controller, which we will write the new password. And again the elevator button which says update password, and where it has password controller and the old password controller, and if the value is returned true, then it will return to the home, and else it will show the invalid password, something like that. Well, before running it, what I wanted to consult, I wanted to say that as you can see, like I've updated the project because I accidentally deleted the previous one, so no worries about it. Okay, so the thing is which I wanted to convey, that as you can see, there is one blue line over here, which simply means that I have updated this line of code, this line. Why I have updated this? Because if let's say I write like this, and if you see the login user is a dynamic function, which means that if there is a beauty of Dart, that if you did not give the return type of it, it can easily accumulate that thing. Like login user can also return a string. It can also return zero also. If I return, I can also return this. I can also give let's say true, like this. So this is a dynamic value, means you can return anything from this function. But for the production level code and for the big code, you always want something that is not dynamic, which means that let's say you created a function and you want specific thing to be returned by the function, so you should give the data type of that function, means that what type of data you are expecting, what type of things you are expecting from the function. So it is a better method to do that thing. Because let's say your function is returning another function, and that function is also returning another function, or let's say another piece of return or something which is important, let's say. And if it is not returning true and you are expecting a boolean value, then you might get a problem with that. So that's why it is better to give that data type of a function, means what type of data we are expecting. Okay, that's one thing. And second thing is that I have used key debug mode in the print statement. Okay, this one thing, that if you do not use print debug mode, and let me use that, it will show me an error, don't involve print in production level code, production code. The thing is the print is only for the debugging thing. Okay, and if you use print in not in debugging mode, means the production code, let's say your app is live or your web page is live, no one is going to see the console, never, from the app. Like if you have run any application, you are not able to see the console. So it is not recommended to use print for the production code. So it is better for you to remove the print statement for the production code. And that's it. Those are the two tips which I wanted to share to you. And let's test it out, and let me run it. We will run it in the iOS simulator, because why not. Before running to the iOS simulator, you should check. If you go to the overview, okay, don't save it, and if you go right there should be two platforms added of Flutter, Flutter logo, and Android and iOS as well. It is better for you because it is a sign of you to connect me. It is good, like you should add platforms, like which platform is gonna access the cloud.app, right? So yeah, let's run it. Let's wait for it to run, and then we'll get back to it. Okay, so the app is running. So let me close the thing, and let me sign up with the account. Okay, sign up. Let's say name Raman, email is Raman @ gmail.com, and password will be okay. So sign up. It will sign up, and if you go to our console, and if you go here, it says Raman @gmail.com. Okay, so let me update the password first, not update the email. So I'll have updated email which is Raman1 @gmail.com, and with the my password, which is this. And if you go here, the password means the email is being updated. If you go right here, and if we go back, it is our email is updated. Now let's update the password of it. As you have seen my password as well, so let me write the old password, gmail @82a, and let me write the new password, gmail @82b. Let's see. So it will update the password, hence the password is being updated. So what I'll do is I'll just go log out, and email will be Raman1 @gmail.com, and password will be gmail @82b. To check that it is working or not, like to check that I have written the correct password, so I'll say obscure text false, means we do not want to hide anything. So now it is here. So if I log in, it should log in, means our update password and update email is working. Now if you remember our small activity which is assigned to you guys, that you have to create a PR of this thing, update the phone number and update the name. The steps to do that is very simple. What you have to do is that fork my repo, and after forking it, and just create your own app, right? Create your own app, right? Cloud project, and try to do it, because the set project will not work for you. Like, this is my own personal ID, so this will not work for you, means you cannot access this console from this ID. So what you have to do is that you have to create your own app, right? Cloud project, and add your own ID over here, and just search wherever I have that ID written, and you can copy and paste your own ID there. So it will automatically connect to the Upright Cloud, and it will do the job. So yeah, that's it for now, and I am very much positive for you, for your response, that you will write all those update phone number and update name. In the next upcoming video, we are going to work with databases, like how we can create databases, how you can write the how you can insert the data in the databases, and other things like storage. You can also create buckets, and also you can upload images, upload files as well. So in the upcoming video, we are going to talk about that, how you can update the files as well. So that's it for now. Keep learning, keep exploring, and if you have any problem till now, you can comment it down, and I'll try to solve it as soon as possible. You can reach me at my socials, like if you go to the LinkedIn, uh, okay, I do not have LinkedIn here. So if you go to LinkedIn, this is my socials. You can contact me, you can connect with me, and if you have any queries or anything till now, you can talk to me. Keep learning, keep exploring, and do let me in the comment section if you have any problem. Bye bye.